Hey y'all, welcome to Drone TV and Lifestyle. Remember, when you're watching this, like it, share it, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Big things here come. Later.
Hi, ones and ones. Welcome back to the channel, Drone TV. As you see the title, we're back at the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. Come on, let's get into it. Now, there's been a lot of talk about a change in design of the Pinnacle, also with some photos on the internet. Yes, and in these photos, it has shown two new structures, which seems to be a hotel and two 28-story towers. So I'm not sure if these towers are the Canary and the Swallowtail, which are the two towers which we have here right now. And these images surface on Traveler Weekly, dated July 2026. Yes, man, the Pinnacle, Jamaica, a new ultra-luxury waterfront hotel and residential complex in Montego Bay. Set to be open on the Redding Peninsula, the $450 million US mixed-use project is being developed by LCH Developments and will span 4 buildings. The hotel will feature 240 rooms, while its residential component will contain 417 branded residences and 12 private villas. The first residential tower is slated to be open in May 2027. Once completed, hotel guests are expected to have access to a range of amenities shared with residents, including the Mangrove Club, a private members club with restaurants, bars, rooftop lounges, and a wellness center, a private cinema, and cigar lounge. Wow, that sounds very appealing. Good development. Yeah, ones and ones, that's all the information from the update that we have. But as far as I see work go on, Canary, second tower that take shape structurally, as you can see. Crane a work, two crane a work, man a work. Yeah man, a good look man. So one, log into the update and remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Drone TV and Lifestyle, and that will work. Alright, that is it.
soak into my skin. made up my mind this time. I'm taking it over. Modest tranquility. Said I made up my mind this time. I'm taking it over.
In the heart of Jamaica, where love takes its stand, with my dreadlocks swaying, unite every hand. From the mountains to the sea, hear our sweet harmonies. Together we rise strong, love like sunshine breezes. Whoa, hope in my life is the way we survive. In the colors of the sunset, together we thrive. From the city to the village, we're all intertwined in the love of the human race. The unity we find. Unity we find. We're vibing to the sound where the world feels embraced. Melodies of kindness in every familiar face. Dance to the heartbeat, let the visions align. In this one human race, love is our divine. Feel the spirit